If you recall, before the coming of K to 12, the method used in the Department of Education was what they call discipline-based. Nung pumasok yung K to 12, it mandated the use of spiral progression, meaning wala nang ibang pwedeng gamitin na method of teaching o curriculum development, pero kung hindi, spiral progression. Ano yung pagkakaiba nung spiral progression and discipline-based methodology? Nung nag-aaral po ako ng elementary hanggang high school, pag inaral ko po ang geometry, buong SEM, yung grade level ko, yun lang ang pinag-aaralan, geometry. Ang next quarter, pwede na mag-trigonometry o the next year, trigonometry. Ganun po yung discipline-based. Ang discipline-based, yung all aspects of geometry or trigonometry or any area of mathematics or science, kunyari biology, kukunin na kompletong-kompleto in one SEM or 1 year. Yun lang ang kukunin mo. Talagang ang gagawin doon, parang parang lahat na ituturo sa'yo. Nung dumating ang K to 12, and that happens per grade level, honorable ko. Meaning first year high school, pwedeng biology, second year, ibang science subject na naman. Nung dumating yung spiral progression, they introduced yung K to 12, they introduced spiral progression. Sa spiral progression, ganito naman po. Kunyari biology, ika-cut up po yung biology per area. Meaning, kukunin mo yon, pwede mo kunin, kunyari junior high school, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, sabay-sabay kukunin yung biology. Pero, sa grade 7, very basic na biology. Pagdating ng grade 8, based on what you learned sa grade 7 biology, dadagdagan pa nila yon. Tapos sa grade 8, dadagdagan na naman yung natutunan mo sa grade 7, 8 para sa 9. Pagdating ng 10, yung 7, 8, 9, 10 mo, yun po yung i-build rin doon para yung buong picture. What happened? Again, honorable ko, we are not saying masama yung or spiral progression is not good. The point is, one size does not fit all. Meron mga types of schools na pwede ang spiral progression, pero karamihan ng schools, kailangan balik tayo sa discipline-based muna. Example, ang mga science high schools natin, you have many teachers, mastery of the subject, and the students po, talagang pinapamaster nila, mukhang pwedeng effective doon ang spiral progression. But in many of our regular DepEd schools, hindi siya nagiging effective.